How to use AI to pick stocks like a pro step-by-step guide. Most people think picking winning stocks is about luck, insider information, or having years of experience on Wall Street. But what if I told you that artificial intelligence, the same kind that powers self-driving cars and chat, can now analyze markets, predict trends, and pick stocks smarter than most human investors? The truth is, AI is completely changing the way we invest. It's not just about guessing anymore. It's about data, precision, and speed. In TSB, though, we're going to break down exactly how to use AI to pick stocks like a pro, even if you're a complete beginner. And by the end, you'll see why ignoring AI in your investing strategy might actually be costing you money. The first thing you need to understand is that AI doesn't make emotional decisions. And that's what makes it powerful. When humans invest, we get caught up in fear, hype, and news headlines. We panic sell when markets dip, or we buy too late when everyone else is already cashing out. AI, on the other hand, doesn't care about emotions. It looks at data, thousands of financial indicators, earnings reports, historical price movements, and even sentiment from news and social media. It spots patterns that no human could ever catch in time. Imagine having a tool that can scan the entire stock market in seconds and tell you which companies have the highest probability of growth based on hundreds of factors. That's exactly what AI can do. But before you start using AI to pick stocks, you need to understand how it works at a basic level. Think of AI as your research assistant, not your boss. It uses machine learning algorithms to process massive amounts of data, identify trends, and predict outcomes. These predictions are based on historical data. For example, how certain stocks reacted to similar conditions in the past. The more data the AI is trained on, the more accurate its predictions become over time. That's why the best AI investing tools constantly update and learn from new market behavior. Now, let's talk about the step-by-step process to use AI for stock picking. Step 1. Choose your AI investing platform. There are tons of great ones out there. Platforms like Trade Ideas, Caveout, Zax, and QAI are designed for retail investors like you and me. These tools don't just recommend stocks. They explain why. They show you confidence scores, trend forecasts, and even portfolio performance simulations. So, before you dive in, research a few of them and pick one that fits your budget and investing goals. Step 2. Define your strategy. AI can analyze data, but you need to tell it what kind of investor you are. Are you looking for growth stocks that could skyrocket over the next 5 years? Or dividend stocks that pay you steady income every quarter? AI works best when it knows your preferences. For example, if you care more about long-term stability, you can set filters that prioritize companies with consistent earnings, strong balance sheets, and low volatility. But if you want aggressive growth, you can direct the AI to look for high-momentum stocks with rapid revenue expansion. Step 3. Feed the AI with good data. The phrase garbage in, garbage out applies perfectly here. AI only performs as well as the data it's given, so make sure you're using tools that rely on reliable financial sources, updated in real time. The best AI stock platforms analyze everything from quarterly reports to macroeconomic trends. Some even integrate sentiment analysis, scanning Twitter, financial news, and Reddit forums to measure how the public feels about certain stocks. That kind of insight can give you a huge edge because markets often move based on emotion, not logic. Step 4. Analyze the AI as stock recommendations. When your AI tool gives you a list of stock ideas, don't just blindly follow it. Review the data it used to make that recommendation. Check out the charts, fundamentals, and recent performance. Think of AI as your research team. You're still the CEO making the final call. A smart investor uses AI to confirm or challenge their ideas, not to replace their judgment. This is how you balance automation with human insight, and it's what separates beginners from pros. Step 5. Test your strategy with a simulated portfolio. Before putting real money on the line, use paper trading. Many AI platforms let you test your strategy with fake money in real market conditions. This lets you see how your AI picks perform over time without risking a dollar. Once you see consistent results and understand how the system reacts to different market movements, that's when you can start investing small amounts of real money. Now, let's be real. AI isn't magic. It can't predict the future perfectly, but it can give you a much stronger probability of success. No algorithm can guarantee returns, but AI helps you reduce risk by making smarter, data-driven decisions. Think of it this way. Instead of trying to beat the market with emotion or luck, you're leveraging patterns and logic that have proven to work over time. That's why professional hedge funds have been using AI for years. And now, thanks to modern technology, everyday investors can too. Another big advantage of AI stock picking is how it helps you save time. Traditionally, you'd spend hours reading reports, comparing ratios, and tracking prices. AI does all that in minutes. It filters out the noise and gives you what actually matters, actionable insights. It can even alert you when something changes in the market that might affect your stocks. This kind of automation means you can focus on your bigger financial goals while your AI assistant keeps an eye on opportunities. And here's something most people don't realize. AI doesn't just help you pick good stocks. It helps you avoid bad ones. Many algorithms are trained to detect red flags like accounting issues, slowing growth, or insider selling. These systems can warn you early, sometimes before mainstream news even catches on. That alone can save you from major losses and help you stay ahead of the curve. As you start using AI for investing, make sure you track your results over time. Look at what the AI got right and where it missed. Many platforms even allow you to customize the AI's logic based on your observations. For instance, if you notice the model performs better with tech stocks than energy stocks, you can fine-tune it to focus more on that sector. The more you use it, the better it adapts to your personal investing style. But here's one more truth. AI isn't replacing human investors. It's empowering them. The best results come when you combine human intuition with AI intelligence. You bring the judgment, creativity, and patience. AI brings the speed, data, and pattern recognition. Together, they form an unbeatable combination. So if you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to pick the right stocks, this is your time to take advantage of AI. You don't need to be a math genius or a Wall Street analyst. You just need to learn how to use the tools that are already available to you. The future of investing isn't about doing more, it's about doing it smarter. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button so more people can discover it too. Leave a comment below and tell me, have you ever tried using AI for investing? Or are you planning to start? I'd love to hear your experience. Share this video with someone who's trying to learn investing the smart way. And most importantly, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video about building wealth through AI and modern investing strategies. Remember, AI isn't the future. It's already here. The investors who learn to use it now will have the biggest advantage in the next decade. So don't wait until everyone else catches on. Start today, learn the tools, and use AI to pick your next winning stock like a pro.